Hello, thanks for clicking this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a pen tool in Figma. I am Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. Stick with me, I'll make you famous. I'll take you places to see different faces. Let's just jump straight into it. This is Figma. Figma is a prototyping tool that are right up there with CorelDRAW, Photoshop and Illustrator. So you can just go to figma.com and register, and then you will have Figma. So this is a pen tool. So this pen tool is also available in all other graphic design applications, just like CorelDRAW, Illustrator and Photoshop. And it's very important that you understand and master it so that you can be a professional designer. Okay, let's start. So a pen tool is more like a pen. That means you write or you draw with it. So when you want to draw a straight line, you right click anywhere, and then from then, as you can see, you will see a line there, and then you can click on another line, and then this is your straight line. So what you can do in order to make sure that you are done or to finish drawing, you can just press escape. So you click here, and then you click here, and then as you can see, the pen tool wants to continue, and then you can click escape, and then you've got your own line. So let's just draw a four corner shape. So you want to click here, click here, click here, click here, and then as you can see, this is how you close a shape. As you can see, click on that one, and then you've got a shape. Okay, let's delete this and do something else, and then let's click a pen tool again. A pen tool can be used to draw custom shape. Then this means that we can also draw curvy shape. So when you want to draw a curvy shape, you click anywhere on your screen, and then if this is a line where you want the peak of your curve to be, you just click here, and then you click and hold, and then drag with your mouse or your laptop pad. Okay, and then from there you can release it, and then you go like this, and then you can click anywhere, and then you click and hold, and then you can change your direction. You can see that the shape is changing, and then from then you can go to another point and click, another point and click, another point and click, another point and click, and then you close your shape. There we go, we've got a custom shape. That is it for me, Matthew Msingati. As a bonus, before we close the video, let's just try to trace an existing logo. As a bonus, this is very important because it's going to show you how you can use the pen tool to retrace logos. Okay, let's just click here, and then select all, and then delete this, and then let's just quickly jump to Google, because it's very important that we know what is the purpose of a pen tool and what it's used for. Let's just click here, and then let me just type Apple logo. Okay, oh, this is logo, not Apple logo. Okay, Apple logo. This is a beautiful one. Then we can copy this logo, and then go to Figma and paste. Okay, did we paste here? Let's see, let me zoom out. Okay, delete this. Okay, just a moment. Looks like my computer is slow. I can't highlight things, I can't do anything. My apologies for that. Okay, let me just click done. Okay, looks like it was me. I don't know what I've done, but it's fine. Let's just copy this. Okay, go back and then paste here. As you can see, this is the Apple logo. Now let's redraw this Apple logo very quick. We're going to click a pen tool, and then we're going to zoom in, and then from then we can take the pen tool. Remember, we said this is the peak of the curve, and then you can drag, left click and hold, and then before we reach this one, we can just turn here, click here, then can go here, click here, come here, click here, come here, click here, go here, click here. As you can see, we are retracing this Apple logo. You see, so this is the importance of a pen tool. A pen tool is used for a lot of things. If you are a designer and you can't use a pen tool, that's a bit of a challenge. Okay, so a pen tool is used in many industries. So if you are a designer and you can't use a pen tool, obviously you will have a tough time. Voila, this is our Apple logo. So what we can do, we can remove the shape that is behind. Okay, let's just go to layers. This is the shape, and then we can remove it, and then we can, as a bonus, we can give color to our shape. So let's just say fill, and then from then we give color to our shape. And that is it. Otherwise, I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. If you feel like this video has added value into your overall understanding of your pen tool, please do me a favor and subscribe. See you on the next one.